Yeah, it's going. Hey, Sophia. Is that your toy? Yeah? I wish I knew which way to do it so that it would be...
Yeah. Try that and then try that in 2 minutes too. At least you'll get it right in the video.
Yeah. This is to the right. And this is to the left. And then we'll know for next time which way to go.
Yeah.
Oh.
She's distracted by the you should switch it off.
Yay, Sophia! Yay! Is that your toy? Yeah. Do you love it? Hi, Sophia. Here we go. Hi, Sophia. Sophia. Yeah, she's rubbing her eyes. Are you sleepy? Where's Abba? Where's Abba?
Sophia B. Hello.
Go get Dad.
You should show them the stuff we got with the Walker too.
Oh yeah, where is that toy? Do you want to put it up on the coffee table and then she can go up to it?
Sophia. Okay.
Oh, it was free with the shopping cart. I'm gonna go this way so I can get her. Yeah.
Get up. It's good that it's so sensitive that every time you even touch it,
It turns on, yeah. She wants to bite everything. Woohoo! Are you dancing? That's her new thing, is those little squats. She bounces.
Oh, you bought a plug?
Oh yeah, she's got lots of stuff in her shopping cart.
Did you buy the bulb we were talking about?
Oh, no hands, standing. Woohoo!
Like
first time. She's standing for a long time. Oh! Woohoo, Sophia! She stood for a long time. She's just like, yeah, whatever. Wow. Oh my gosh, she's gonna walk soon. That was crazy.
Yeah, it was.
Sophia, did you stand up all by yourself?
It's right here. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it.
I think that's kind of how she dances when she bounces like that too, eh?
Yeah. You should say, thank you, Grandma, for getting me the walker.
Yeah. Sophia. Sophia. Say thanks, Grandma. Thanks, Grandma. She's like, yeah, just give me my elephant. You shouldn't have to push it so hard. Like, she could... She likes it.
I don't know if she'll fall asleep, you Peter.
You think she's tired?
Well,
Oh, because she was rubbing her eyes.
And she was yawning.
Hi. Hi.
Let's put this in your shopping cart. Let's go for a ride.
Okay, you can take him for a walk. That was crazy. She stood for so long, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's doing it the lazy man way. Kneeling.
Stand up. Yeah.
There you go. Go shopping. Okay, I'm at like 9 minutes and 19 seconds. I think
Okay,
I'll
you should
stop
stop
it. Sophia! Sophia! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Bye.
Bye-bye!